I'm doing what? I got to change into some work clothes. Why don't you meet me at the van and come check this out? Hello, YouTubers, and thanks for tuning into My Life After 50, Frank Morrison. If you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoy this content, and if so, please give me that thumbs up, and maybe you'll even subscribe. For those of you who have subscribed, thank you very much. You're helping me grow, and that's the goal. What is today's video about? Well, yes, it has to do with the Synchro, and this has been a very hard decision for me to make. I've been working on the layout for this van as far as the camping components go for quite some time. I'm 4 months into doing many projects, but this is about this bulkhead. And this was the tough one for me. I wasn't quite sure if I wanted to take it out. There's quite a bit of work to it. For those of you who do things like this often, maybe it's no big deal to you. But you know, an owner that's new to these things goes in and starts cutting metal. It's a tough decision to make, but I've finally made the decision that it's got to go. I picked up a couple of bucket seats used on Facebook Marketplace. Great place to check for parts. I scored big time for those. And once I put those seats in, it was kind of a clear decision that the wall had to go, or the bulkhead. So I actually went on the samba.com, a wealth of information there, whether you're looking for classifieds or trying to fix whatever for your VW. The samba.com is the bomb. There was an article about exactly how to do that, removing the bulkhead. So that gave me a little confidence moving forward. What do you say I show you the plan? I've got some tools here. I'll give you a quick look at the seats I picked up on Facebook Marketplace. A couple of tears down, but no big deal. The headrests came off of the original seats. If you've seen some of my other videos on the van, this was a 9-passenger. And when I picked up these seats, they didn't have headrests, so I grabbed 2 of the headrests out of my seat collection that has been removed from the van. So this is going to give this van a totally new look. And let me give you an idea of what's going on here. And this is where I'm going to start. The main goal here is to gain this pass-through space. I had to make up my mind. Did I want to deal with, during inclement weather, to access the back of the van, come on out of the driver's side, go around, open the sliding door, or do I want this pass-through? Yes, I'm nervous, but I think I say that on every job that I do until I get into it. I decided to pop these rivets out first because I want to see what the back side of this panel looks like all the way down. And these rivets are what's holding on that main section. Let's take a look at what we got. There's that trim piece. Looks like this. Oh yeah. How nice. A little bit of glue. That looks like that's the upper section. Oh, how sweet it is to feel that drop. I am very excited about that. This panel will still come out. There's some spot welds here around that side also. And I'll have that full pass through, but man, wow. So with bucket seats, those will go right back in. I am stoked and moving along nicely. Let's go. This was a very satisfying project to complete. I used the tools that I had at hand, that I owned. There are probably other tools that can make this job a little easier. This is what I had. Sadly, my closing video clip did not record voice or audio, so I'm doing this as a voiceover as I clean the van up now. I want to thank you very much once again for watching my video. I hope this was of some help to you for those that are looking to dive into a project like this. Yes, like I said, it was a little scary, but once I got into it, I was good. I was okay with it. I will be cleaning up the metal where the Sawzall scraped all that up, sanding it down, priming it, and so on. I've got other projects coming up. Stay tuned for those. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd love your subscription as well. Until next time, take care.